Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Zoom, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you end a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to end a call in Zoom anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing sales calls or maybe team meetings on Zoom, once it's completed, you want to be sure to end the call so that way no one else is listening in onto you after the call. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled directly in the Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up an actual Zoom call that I'm on right now. Now, if I want to go ahead and end this call, here on the bottom right, you're going to look for this red logo. It looks like an X. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up. So I'm the administrator for this particular call, so I can end the call for everybody, or I can simply just leave and everybody who's a participant in the call, they can still remain. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting for all. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into the Zoom app home screen. So now I've ended the Zoom call, and anything I have going on as far as what I'm saying or what I'm doing, nobody in that participating call is going to be able to see or hear. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to end a Zoom call, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.